So these reels have gone insanely viral with millions of views, and out of pure curiosity, I decided to try these 7 hacks myself. And today, I'm gonna spill the truth. Spoiler alert, I might have just wasted my time. Stick around as we debunk these together, because trust me, you're about to have a good laugh. Let's start with this bizarre one. Alright, this is some next level gaslighting. Mixing yellow and white ingredients will never produce a green color. For a mixture to turn green, there would need to be a blue component, which is completely missing here. This sudden color change is either a clever video edit or involves switching the mixture off camera. Also, the ingredients are ineffective. Although egg whites can have a slight firming effect, once they're boiled, the nutrients that might benefit the skin, like proteins and collagen, are mostly broken down or lost. Oat milk has soothing properties due to the beta-glucan content, but in this case, it's mixed with flour, which thickens it into a paste with no additional benefits. None of these ingredients contain active components like antioxidants, vitamins, or exfoliating agents that could genuinely improve skin texture or tone. Instead, you're left with a sticky, heavy paste that may clog pores rather than benefit your skin. Next up, we have an avocado mask that's claiming to be all-natural and chemical-free. Let's watch it. Okay, let's get one thing straight. There's no such thing as a completely chemical-free skincare product, even if it's DIY. Grocery store avocados have pesticides and chemicals that don't just magically disappear when you blend them. Plus, putting the skin in the oven, that's going to kill any nutrients the avocado skin might have. Avocado contains vitamins like C and E, which are sensitive to heat. So by the time you make the powder, most of the good stuff is gone. However, the yogurt and honey combo can be great for hydration. So does this mask work? Kind of. It's moisturizing, but don't expect it to transform your skin overnight. The famous Vaseline slugging trend, promising baby soft skin overnight. But does it really work for everyone? Spoiler alert, absolutely not. Here's the problem. If you have dry or irritated skin, it might actually help repair your skin barrier because Vaseline is an occlusive. It forms a barrier, locking in whatever moisture is already on your skin. But that's the catch. It only seals in what's already there. If you're not layering it over a hydrating serum or moisturizer, you're just trapping dry skin under a greasy layer. But if you have oily or acne-prone skin, this is a recipe for disaster. This is going to trap all the dirt, oil, and bacteria under a thick layer of Vaseline. You're basically inviting breakouts to a party on your face. You might wake up with clogged pores, not dewy skin. And one more thing, Vaseline isn't even a moisturizer. It's an occlusive. It locks in what's already there but doesn't add any hydration of its own. So if you're skipping the cleansing step and just slapping on Vaseline, you're playing yourself. This one is a crowd favorite. It looks effective in the video, but let's be real. Toothpaste on your face? Really? Guys, please, for the love of your skin, do not use toothpaste on your face. Colgate isn't made for your skin, it's for your teeth. It's packed with ingredients like fluoride and abrasives that can burn your skin, causing redness and irritation. The lemon juice is another risky addition. It's highly acidic and can cause irritation, especially if not diluted. If you really want to tackle blackheads, try salicylic acid or niacinamide, which are proven to work. And here's a fun fact: constantly removing blackheads can actually make your pores look bigger over time, so less is more. This one isn't as magical as it seems. The brightening effect you're seeing is just the removal of dead skin cells. It's exfoliation, not skin lightening. Also, scrubbing this mixture on your face, not a good idea. Coffee and tomato are too abrasive for sensitive skin, and the baking powder can disrupt your skin's pH balance. If you have sensitive or dry skin, this could lead to irritation or even a rash. So while it might give you a nice glow on your body, keep it away from your face unless you want to risk looking like a tomato yourself. This next hack claims to be the ultimate anti-aging solution. Although it looks promising and inexpensive, it's not gonna reverse your age. While aloe vera is known for its soothing properties, mixing it with Vaseline and baby oil can clog up your pores, especially if you have oily skin. The mixture is way too heavy for most people's skin and can cause breakouts. The only time I'd recommend this is if you have extremely dry, flaky skin and you're desperate for moisture. Even then, proceed with caution. Finally, we have a Korean beauty secret for dark circles. This one isn't entirely off the mark, but don't expect miracles if you use it once and give up. Caffeine can help reduce puffiness, and honey is a good moisturizer, but you need to be consistent. Try it twice a week for at least a few months to see real results. If you're looking for a quick fix, this won't be it. My advice? Use an eye cream with caffeine and peptides instead. You'll get better results and won't have to deal with a sticky mess. Also, remember, dark circles can be caused by a lot of factors like genetics, sleep, and diet. So a mask alone isn't going to be the ultimate cure. Manage your expectations here, folks. So these were the 7 viral skincare hacks broken down and debunked. Some of these can work if done correctly, but others are just plain silly. The takeaway: always do your research before trying these trends. And remember that what works for one person might not work for you. Your skin is unique and it deserves the best care, not a science experiment gone wrong. If you love this breakdown and want more honest takes on viral hacks, watch this video. Do not try these 7 TikTok beauty hacks. In this video, you'll learn about the popular TikTok hacks that are an absolute disaster. Also, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below with the weirdest skincare hack you've ever tried. Until next time, stay glowing and keep it real.